Welcome to a new video. This video is about kinematic swing analysis with the use case of golf. So you have all kinds of data and graphs that are created in real time. You will see them later on. We don't really go too much into the pairing process of sensors. We're running with 4 sensors. Then you see we have jab, wrist, chest and hip sensors. And let's look at first swing. So this is actually a screen grab of the software running while the software is there. So you get these graphs right after the swing. Let's take a next swing right after that you see it here as well. You will hear a beep once the software is ready. And when it's ready, the user actually knows that everything is going in plan. So let's have a look at the data. We have jab, wrist, chest and hip sensors, as you see. We have the optimum order, which is hip, chest, wrist and jab. We have the transition time with the T off, and we have the ratio. The optimum ratio would be 3:1. I put something more into the comment that you can have a look at the ratio, what this is all about. It's about the backswing and the ratio from the front swing as well. So the nice thing is that you can change the position as well. So obviously the sensors are at the same place, but the video is then captured obviously from a different angle. We're running currently here at 60 FPS, and you will see it then in a bit that you can, when the iOS device actually provides you with that data, you can actually use up to 240. So let's dig into that high-speed video. So we change the HFR and you see that we have 240 FPS. So we are taking the video now with 240 frames per second. It's the same thing, I just changed the position, and once the position then has been changed, the sensor data stays the same obviously as well. So the video is then stored in the files folder with all the other raw data for the swing and the calculated data that you actually see in the screen that is then created after the swing has happened, really. So obviously we look in it as well that we have a comparison function. You have probably seen it in the screens there as well. So let's compare a shot. We actually added this shot into as a comparison, as a reference swing, and we take a next swing after that, and then you will see what the comparison is actually is all about. So here's a swing, and now you will see that we can turn off obviously or show the reference swing, which is now included, and we can turn on and off the actual graphs for jab, wrist, hip and jab, and you also see the differences to the reference swing in the order. So that's all about this software. I hope you liked the video and see you later.